Hi, everybody. Chronically Happy here. Welcome to Unwind with Chronically Happy. Yawning. I have a long weekend ahead of me, and it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And the yawns has got me teary eyed. I need to go brush my teeth, get my skincare routine going, and get to sleep. Give me 1 second. Alright, let's go. It's been a long day of nothing. I did a lot of video games. I have tried so hard. Yawn. I have tried so hard to get through all the Easter eggs in the new Black Ops 6 Zombies Call of Duty. I can't get the Easter egg done. I've been trying. I refuse to look on YouTube how to do all the codes. I just refuse to. Too much to remember, man. Too much for me to remember. So sleepy. I have a chiropractor appointment on Wednesday, and I hope to be somewhat adjusted still for tomorrow's appointment. So that's what I have to wake up for. I'm kind of bloated because I ate a lot of food. So sleepy. I can't stop yawning. Sorry, y'all. I'm just exhausted from nothing playing in video games. So some of y'all might be wondering why I got tape on. It's KT tape, and it's to help keep my fascia, my muscle layers and stuff in between the layers of the skin and the rest of the body inside. It's helping to try and keep that portion of skin going in the direction that the tape is going and pulling on. I never remove it until I go to my physical therapist. I let my chiropractor see it, so he knows what kind of work they're doing on me. It's just a really good practice to do. Take forever to heat up. I should have heated this up sooner while I was brushing my teeth. I had to stop doing my sinus rinses because my nose is still really swollen. I had my primary care doctor look at my nose, and he said, yes, it is indeed swollen. I just don't want to deal with it yet. I don't want to deal with it yet. I'm going to have to try and get in my VA doctor appointment. They don't take Medicare, at least my plan. I wrote to both my senators this week. That was fun. I I had Veteran Evaluation Services harass me, and then all of a sudden they're no longer going to allow me to have my exam, so now I've got to fight with my, go tell my lawyer what's up. Excuse me, I gotta blow my nose real fast and let out my face dries from my lotion. Okay. So, I still need to upload my driver's license to my psychiatrist's new website. I haven't done that yet. I just did not want to do anything. I'm still kind of depressed about my nose. I really am, guys. I can't handle it. My nose is what keeps me breathing. It's not good with all my problems, with potential respiratory depression problems. I need all the open airways I can get. And I have even more problems with my nose. Again, it's just devastating. I'm devastated. And I'm trying to understand about what I'm doing. I'm not going to heal good if I don't have spinal cord surgery first. But also, I'm not going to breathe good during surgery because of my nose being jacked up. So that's a little bit of a risk during surgery too. So I'm like, damned if I do and damned if I don't. These are my real worries late at night. So now I'm trying to say them, and so they're off of my shoulders, and I'm washing them down the drain. I'm not holding on to it. I can't hold on to these feelings. I need to let them go. Elsa from Frosted, just let it go. Let it go. I don't know the song. I've never watched the movie. I refuse. I refuse. I had too many friends with kids that watch that. Anything that on repeat, which is anything for any kid. Like for me, it was Care Bears when I was growing up. I loved cartoons in the 80s. In the 90s too, so not some of them. But now I am ready for bed. Chronically ill, chronically happy. Hope y'all enjoy my gaming videos because it's what I'm passionate about right now. Along with my raving that is going to happen tomorrow night. My bracelet making that I needed to get done before tomorrow night. Gosh, my nose is so horrible. I just put a deposit down for my hair for EDC though. I'm so excited. I'm so dehydrated. I need so much more water. Laundry basket blocking the door. That's no good. So, I love my little workstation full of stuff and fun things and all these other things. I love this stuff. All my cherry bead things. I need to get more done. I haven't gotten enough done. Boy, do I look tired right here. Here's my bag. Just look at that. 2 waters. I absolutely love my things here. I love them so much. Things all around here. My workstation. All my feet on the ground. So, that is all I'm working on right now. I got these done. These done lately. I got these hooks put in the bunnies. I'm getting things done little by little. I'm doing the best I can. Pretend like that when I'm not gaming. I can't believe I did so good tonight on Gunfight. Trying to be quiet. I cannot believe I did so amazing on Gunfight. Gunfight 2v2. I did so good. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get ready for bed again. It was hard to pull myself out of bed just so I could go do my teeth and face. But it's essential. I need to do my nighttime routine. Thank you all so much for following me and unwinding with me. It's a quick one, but I've got to get to sleep, and it's been a long day of gaming. Please check out my gaming videos. I did so awesome. Like, I was blowing the guys' minds. Like, I was blowing their minds how good I was doing. I was blowing my mind how good I was doing. Can't help but brag, but I did good. I can finally play Call of Duty. I love you all. Peace out.